Bitcoin is about to moonshot. Hey guys, what's going on? Jeb here, and in today's video, I am going to be showing you how a repeating pattern from 2019 and 2020 that led into a 600% rally on Bitcoin and a massive breakout above the then $20,000 all-time high is happening once again. Except the only difference is last time this pattern took 500 days to play out, and this time it only took 32. The last time that we were at this point in the market cycle, Bitcoin would rally back to all-time high within 42 days, and if the same thing were to occur, we would be back at all-time high on Bitcoin within a month of when this video is shot. Today, I'm going to be showing you this repeating history and why I believe it points to an all-time high on Bitcoin before the halving. If you want to know when Bitcoin's going back to $69,000 and all of our reasonings as to why, then stay tuned because we've got a great video lined up for you. Before we get started, if you enjoyed today's video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Without much further ado, let's go ahead and dive right on into it. Boom, got it all in one take. You know, that's called quality. You know who else is known for quality? NordVPN. If you guys haven't already, make sure to sign up for NordVPN because they are going to protect you while you browse online by shrouding your IP address, as well as all kinds of other technical wizardry, which I'm not a programmer, so I couldn't explain it to you, but what I can tell you is that they are trusted by tens of millions of customers who use NordVPN to protect themselves online so they don't get hacked, they don't have bank account information stolen, they don't have cryptocurrency accounts drained, and they are able to browse freely online and go wherever they deem fit without some tyrannical 1984-esque government entity telling them where they can and cannot go. Sign up for NordVPN today and finally pull the trigger and get a VPN that is going to protect you and keep you free while you browse online by going to nordvpn.com/Jeb. Sign up today and do it all risk-free with a 30-day money-back refund guarantee. All right, let's get started. This is the chart, and we are going to start off by looking at the 2018 and 19 bear market. During 2018 and 2019, Bitcoin would rally from a bottom of $3,000 all the way up to a local high of $13,700. In doing so, Bitcoin would move back to the coveted 0.618 to 0.65 Fibonacci retracement zone, otherwise known as the golden pocket. Bitcoin would then spend the next 494 days beneath that level and ultimately retrace 72%. Bitcoin would drop from $13,700 all the way down to a bear market bottom of $3,700 before spending several hundred more days trying to get back to the golden pocket. But after Bitcoin did finally get to the golden pocket, we would break through, and within 42 short days, we would rally 40% all the way back up to all-time high. And after breaching all-time high, Bitcoin would go on to rally 228% to an all-time high of $65,000. Otherwise stated, between the time that we broke above the golden pocket at the 0.618 to 0.65 level, which was a zone between 13,400 and 14,000, Bitcoin would rally 400% nearly in a short 165 days. The reason that this history is so important is because it's happening again. Except in this case, instead of Bitcoin spending 500 days trying to get back to and break through the golden pocket, we've spent 30. As you can see, Bitcoin this bull cycle rallied up to the golden pocket, again, 0.618 to 0.65 on Fibonacci retracement. That sits between $48,000 and $50,000. Bitcoin rallied there the day after the ETFs were approved, the day they started trading. We hit $49,000. That was our first touch of the golden pocket. In the last bull market cycle, our first touch of the golden pocket happened on June 24th, 2019. As of just a few days ago, Bitcoin rallied all the way back up to the golden pocket and broke through it. In this market, our time between the first touch of the Fibonacci golden pocket and our eventual breakthrough of the Fibonacci golden pocket was a short 32 days. Remember, in the previous bull market cycle, the time between those two touches was nearly 500 days. During the previous bull market cycle, Bitcoin would drop a total of 72%, but this time, Bitcoin would only drop 21. So that's all fine and dandy, but what happened next? You see, the reason that this is significant is because after the second touch and subsequent breakthrough of the golden pocket, Bitcoin would rally 40% back to its all-time high, then at $20,000, over the course of 42 days. In fact, we rallied to all-time high only about 25 days after, but 42 days after we broke through the Fibonacci golden pocket, we would break through 20K. And again, as I mentioned earlier, within just a few short months, Bitcoin would rally all the way to $65,000. In fact, it only took about 4. If we were to rally and break through all-time high in the same short time frame, which makes sense because instead of spending 500 days below the Fibonacci golden pocket, this time we only spent 32. So obviously things are going up far more bullish than they were last time. If we spent 42 days to get back to and break through all-time high, that would place Bitcoin breaking all-time high on the 27th of March, 2024. just shy over a month from the upload of this video on February 16th. And to boot, to follow the trend, including the diminishing returns, if we were to follow the same trend that we did before, by the end of this year, Bitcoin could be trading well over $100,000. One final thing to mention is Lux Algo. You see, every single bull market in the history of Bitcoin has had a confirmed Lux Algo buy signal come in with it. From the 2015 and 16 and 17 bull market to the 2020 bull market, and even bull markets in the past, Bitcoin has always seen a buy signal predict the market. In this case, in 2015, we saw a buy signal on Lux Algo that predicted that Bitcoin would rally 6,000%. We then saw another buy signal here, and Bitcoin would go on to rally 900%. If Bitcoin closes the February monthly candlestick above $52,000, we will have our only our fourth in history, confirmed buy signal on Lux Algo. And if that occurs, that is confirmation of bull market, which we've already had, but it's also confirmation that Bitcoin is likely going to rally several 100% higher than where it currently stands. All of this indicating a $100,000 to $200,000 Bitcoin coming within the next 12 to 18 months. It is often said that Bitcoin history does not repeat, but it often rhymes. While this market may not go through the exact same patterns that it did during the last market, we can have many reasons to be confident that they will look somewhat similar. If Bitcoin therefore follows what happened in 2020, then here's where we are. By way of analogy, we could say that Bitcoin is somewhere around here. And as you can see on the linear price action chart, that means that we would have a long way to go to the upside. Again, potentially 100 to 200%. Between $100,000 and $200,000 Bitcoin. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to sign up for NordVPN by going to nordvpn.com/Jeb and getting access to a 2-year plan to protect yourself for the duration of the bull market. And also make sure to check out our very own Technical Analysis Academy, the Cryptocurrency Technical Analysis Academy. You can find that down below. We've been teaching people for over 5 years and over 5,000 students how to do technical analysis on cryptocurrency markets to apply it to profitable investment and trading. Download wisdom and knowledge into your brain today, this week, this month, and for the rest of your life, so that you will be more successful than you were in the last season of your life. Sign up for NordVPN to protect yourself, and sign up for the Cryptocurrency Technical Analysis Academy to educate yourself. Before we go, I do just first want to thank each and every single last one of you for watching, as always, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.